How to use Facebook Marketplace without an account, and is this possible? So, technically, you can partly use the Facebook Marketplace without signing in or logging in. You can browse many Facebook Marketplace listings without logging on or having an account, but you cannot message sellers, buy, or post listings without a Facebook account. So, without an account, you can search and view some listings in a web browser. Many marketplace items pages are public and indexable by search engines, so you can open them if you land on or search for their URL. So, categories or sometimes see photos, titles, prices, and locations without logging in. But things you cannot do with an account, as we just mentioned, is contact sellers, send offers, or buy items, and those require signing in. So create listings or managing sales obviously needs an account and usually identity verification, since Facebook's marketplace rules require users to be eligible and sign in. So that's pretty much some information on what you can do with and without an account in Facebook Marketplace and how to use Facebook Marketplace without an account. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.